In this video of Dubai, I will show you and describe the Dubai Mall, a mall so big it has its own Chinatown, jaw-dropping sights you wouldn't expect to see in a mall, extravagant public restrooms in the mall, the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, the secret place where you can buy alcohol in this Muslim country. So please stay tuned to my video. Please remember to post a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can always get my latest travel videos. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Dubai. It's 38 degrees Celsius here in the shade and about 45 degrees Celsius in the sun. I'm standing in front of the entrance of the Dubai Mall, probably the most amazing mall I've ever seen in my life. That flag on the right is the flag of the United Arab Emirates, and this is the Dubai Mall Hotel, and that is the entrance to the Dubai Mall. I hope you can enjoy this amazing mall as I show it to you. Stay tuned. As you step inside the mall, the temperature suddenly becomes about 20 degrees Celsius. The first place we're going to start is called Chinatown. And this is the beginning of Chinatown. Bamboos, a giant panda bear. It gets better. So now I'm in the middle of Chinatown, and there's Chinese supermarkets, Chinese pastry shops, Chinese gift shops. Look at these gorgeous pieces of art available for sale. Amazing, astonishing. Chinatown has its own food court, and it's different Chinese restaurants in this food court. It's amazing. So Chinese cakes and pastries, a shop dedicated to Peking duck, dumplings, noodles, other kinds of noodles, sushi, and it just goes on and on. Handmade Chinese tea sets for sale. All authentic. More exclusive Chinese gift items. Beautiful. Then we enter this area. It's a maze of lights. It's amazing. And that's the other side. Now we're leaving Chinatown for the next place. As you get to the next place, you see this massive LED billboard. And inside of it is a Bosnian restaurant. That's that red rectangle you see. It's the biggest LED display I've ever seen. And now, down below, a skating rink. No, I did say it's 45 degrees Celsius in the sun outside, 38 in the shade. They got a skating rink here. If your legs give out, you could always take a taxi ride. These guys will take you all around the mall. I can't believe how many people are skating, and it's a weekday at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I've already bumped into walls 3 times in the last couple of days just walking around this mall. I don't know where to look. It's amazing. Down there, is a dinosaur display. And up there is the Dubai Art Museum. You can look that up by following that website on the internet. It's an interactive and immersive art experience, the only one of its kind in the world. To go inside this museum costs 169 UAE dirhams. It's beautiful just on the outside without even paying anything. Now rest assured, this mall has every luxury brand name you've ever heard of. It's in this mall. This space is simply called the Waterfall. Here's my selfie in front of the Dubai Mall waterfall. Golden Air Jordan basketball shoes. Right next door is the Puma store. I'm gonna go down to the lower level to show you a couple of cool places. They have several very upscale restaurants. But then there's more. Middle East Suites. Now keep in mind, UAE is an Arab country, and because it's an Arab country, alcohol is completely forbidden here. However, they do serve it in bars, in American-style hotels, but they do that in Bahrain, and they do that in Qatar as well. They have bars for tourists. UAE has gone a step further. Here in the Dubai Mall is a liquor store, and they sell alcohol here, and it's sold to anybody that wants it. You just follow along in the lower level, and you look for the directions to the management office, the mall management office. Just turn down this little hallway right beside the Emirates NBD Bank, and you get to this store. There's no displays, there's no windows. It's called African and Eastern. I just used my passport and I was able to buy beer in there. Apparently, residents of UAE have to apply for a license, which costs them some money. But for tourists, Westerners, it's free of charge as long as you have a foreign passport. And keep in mind, this is pretty liberal for an Arab country. I've been to Saudi Arabia, alcohol is illegal. Kuwait, alcohol is not available. It's illegal to sell it. I've been to Bahrain, which only serves it in bars. And Qatar is the same. And those bars are tourist hotel bars, like, for example, Hilton or Best Western. Those places, if they have a bar, they'll be able to serve alcohol in those countries. So this is pretty advanced here for UAE. There are many diamond stores, but I wanted to show you this one, Coronet Diamond. Firstly, they have some beautiful, authentic diamond encrusted watches. And of course, jewelry. Very expensive. They also have the Jackson 5 and Michael Jackson collection of diamond rings. This blew me away. This is a diamond guitar. The price is $2 million US. There is a certificate of authenticity. And it's on display here. Now, I've been telling you how nice Dubai Mall is. I'm going to show you a public restroom in Dubai Mall. This is the entrance to the men's room. Art on the walls. Art. That's the nicest public men's room I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna step outside in that hot weather just because I know you're enjoying this tour. So here we are in the 45 degrees Celsius heat, and these are the Dubai fountains. So this is where the Dubai fountains go off, and that is the tallest building in the world, and it sure looks it. That is the Burj Khalifa. From the Burj Khalifa, we see the fountains, which are not on right now, unfortunately. And I'm showing you a panorama of all the buildings that are in this area. That is a real Muslim call to prayer that you're hearing. This is the inside of the Time Out Market. Authentic UAE produced handicraft stores. Unfortunately, I can't show you the fountains. Fountains only come on after 6 o'clock in the evening, which is after dark. And my camera won't work all that well after dark, so sorry about that. But it is a beautiful spot, although it's hot. Very pretty place to walk around. In this area is the aquarium, the Dubai Aquarium. You can go inside the aquarium. You have to buy a ticket though. As you know from my videos, I've been to a lot of places around the world. I have never seen them all this amazing and astonishing. It's huge. So I hope you enjoyed my video of the Dubai Mall today. Hope one day you can check it out for yourself and be amazed. Please stay tuned for more of my travel videos, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, post a like, and hit the notification bell for future videos.